All right, you're on video, so don't lose it.
I can't get nothing on him.
Trent has a really big fish on right here. Feel like a striper or a cat? Catfish? We're striper fishing and Trent's over there catching catfish. What's up with that crap? Weekend duty. McBride outside. Give him a call to book a trip. Oh, you should have brought him this way, Trent, so we could see him. No, he's taking back off. How many pounds of line you got on there? 20 pound. 20 pound leader? Huh? That's what's on there?
Yeah.
That might be a big flathead then.
That's what I'm thinking. What it feels like.
You got a net?
Yeah.
Be like me and forget my net yesterday. You see color?
Yeah. I'll see my sinker first.
I got a bite over here. Big blue?
He's real big, but
That's a huge striper. Yes, sir! Trent McBride right there, guys.
fighting like a catfish.
Dang! Look at that bad boy right there. Holy cow. That is a monster. Yes, sir. That is sweet. Oh, you gotta weigh him, man.
My scales just took a dump.
Oh!
He swallowed it.
Dang.
That was cut bait.
Dang, dang, dang. Tell people how to get a hold of you, Trent.
McBrideOutside.com or 918-991-9749.
All right, there you go, guys.